Hello, darling. Hello, boo boo. Hello, love. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your lovely girl Olivia. I'm back again with another video. Yeah, so if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, welcome and welcome again. Yeah, you are at the right place. Okay, so yeah, hit that subscription button down below, turn on your post notification button so whenever I post a new video you'll be the first person to watch it. And to my amazing return subscribers, guys, thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. Thanks for liking, commenting and sharing my videos. I do really appreciate it. Okay, so yeah, in today's video I'll be showing you how to style your old braided hair. What did I say? Your old braided hair. So yeah, if you want to enjoy watching me from the start to the end of this video, don't go anywhere, stay tuned and let's get right into today's video. Okay, so guys, like I said, today I'm going to show you how to style your old braided hair. Okay, yeah, so my hair has been on for the past 7 weeks. I'm shy. Yeah, for the past 7 weeks my hair has been on and I can still style to look amazing, to look beautiful, to look cute. Yeah, so before I start showing you the styles, let me show you the tools that we'll be using to do our hairstyle. Okay, so I have these bands. Yeah, I have these bands and I have these butterfly clips. Yeah. Okay, so guys, now that we've seen the kind of tools that we'll be using in creating this hairstyling, let's get right into the main do. Okay, yeah, so we'll first start with this band. Okay,
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning, vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight, I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see, something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? My heart, my love, my life, the prize. It's hard to fight, goodbye. I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning, vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight, I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see, something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving.
Yeah guys, so this brings me to the end of this video. Thanks for watching me from the start to the end. If you did enjoy watching me, let me know in the comment section and let me know which style best suits me. Okay, so until then, it's bye bye, enjoy your weekend, and I'll be back with another video. Peace out. Mwah.